Welcome guys, my name is Iqbal and you are watching TechEagles YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable two-step verification on your TikTok account to make your TikTok account secure. If you are interested in this topic, let's jump into the video.
For enabling two-step verification on your TikTok account, first you have to open your TikTok profile. Here you have to click on the three lines on the top right corner. Then you have to click on setting and privacy button. Here you have to click on security and permission option. Then click on two-step verification. Here you have to click on turn on. After some loading, then click on add. Now two-step verification has been turned on your device. Then go back. Your account is now safe and secure.
That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, check out this playlist. This will also help you a lot. This is me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.